really big breaking fire. Anyways, I gotta go. It's getting dark. Let's go.
With the stride that says I'm going places, she's traveling fast. And I can tell from how she sways, she's overcome her past. Yeah, she's walking with a passion, moving with desire. She fights for what she wants, she's going up, she's going higher. Proving, yeah, she's fire walking to be free.
I just measured it. The issue is it just fits, so I have to get it bang on. Easy as pie. Thank you, really. Oh, okay. Now to take a look. Oopsies. Oops, I nearly had it. It just got stuck on the side there. Well, at least there's lots of people around to help me. Hot. Of this wonderful German fellow, I was able to get my bike up. I can pick it up, but I have to take off all the luggage and it's a pain in the butt. So if I can get help, I'll get help. But I made it to the rock, to the side of the southern fourth of Africa. So I'm gonna set it up. There is quite a line here, and I like to take my time. So when I wait until it disperses and set the bike up, I'd like to get it up there, but that might be impossible. So we'll see. No, not at all. No, not at all. No. My bike with the sign. Super stoked. I got my pictures. Everything's good. Now I'm going to head up to, I forget the name, starts with M. I'm gonna head north. See how far I get today. I really don't know. It's see, look slow. Hope we don't drop my bike again. That was slow. Not going to drop it this time. seen a fire like that before, so I'm really hoping that the road goes that way and I completely miss it, because anyways, I gotta go. It's getting dark. Let's go. So bad news, the road is going towards the fire. I don't know what to do.
Holy crap! I have never seen anything like that before.
Boogers. Turns out the fire's right there, and I have to pass through it to get to the town. The GPS didn't clue onto that one. So it's dark now. I think I'm gonna sleep here. I just found out that the fire is all the way to Ladysmith, which is pretty much the entire Route 62 that I was gonna take. So I don't want this to be like an action film that I'm doing. I'd rather not chase fires. So I don't know where I could stay. I don't know if there's anywhere. I'm gonna probably look up. I'm gonna go pee. I'll look if there's a bed and breakfast I can stay at here or camping. The GPS let me hear so there's camping, and it's a B&B it says, but there's nobody here. All the lights are off. Oops. We really have to pee still. Well, there's lights. I'm gonna try and call them. I went pee behind the barn, by the way. Hi, I just was looking for accommodation and I came by your place. I'm just wondering, my GPS actually said that there was camping here, but it appears to be a bed and breakfast. Well, yeah, I was meant to go to Montague. I'm actually traveling on a motorcycle by myself, and I don't feel comfortable with the fire, so I need to reroute in the morning. I just need a place to put my tent. Ah, okay. Where are you next door?
This is a lovely campsite. I'm just not sure if you're going to be alone.
Yeah.
Hi, Pierre.
Hello.
Hi, this is Rosie.
Rosie. Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is not a little motorbike, this is a monster. You were actually on your way to Montague.
Yeah, I wanted to do Route 62, but now I've heard the fire's all the way up to Ladysmith. So
Yeah, but tomorrow morning it might be open. Yeah.
I don't know anything about fires.
But I did hear the pass is closed tonight, but you know, like Pierre said, it might be open tomorrow. You can always stop here and we'll phone quickly and just inquire and make you just press there. I don't know how you are with cameras, but I'm not that good.
All right.
Yeah, but I was
my
heading to-
campsite, which is just behind you, it's less than a kilometer. There's nobody camping there. They're coming in tomorrow for the weekend. Some people. So go have a look there.
Yeah,
Okay,
have a look
alright.
and then, yeah.
It was great to meet you. Thank you so much for all your help.
My pleasure. No,
Yeah.
by all means.
Just put on the slider.
Ah, okay.
If you felt easier.
Yeah. No, I'm good in the tent. It's nice over here. And then I can take some cool pictures with the fire. That is a little too close for comfort.
I get the ladies from Canada traveling on a motorbike special. Free! So sweet. Those were his exact words too. Too cute. Okay though, like it won't come down into the town in the middle of the night, will it?
No. And the town is green.
Yeah.
Not dry. That's in the veld. It's dry. There's a golf course on that side. It will stop at the golf course. Because the golf course is green. You can camp here, you can camp there, you
Oh,
can camp
thank
up there.
you. Yeah.
Or you can sleep in the ablution block.
I think, that's the first in a lifetime that I'll ever get to take pictures with my tent and my bike with a fire in the background. So
Right.
I'm pretty stoked on that.
How amazing is that? Tried to find a camping spot and met this lady, and she calls this guy who owns this campsite next door. He brings me down here, Pierre. Super lovely guy. And I don't know if you could see this, right? I'm going to take epic photos tonight. Can you see this? That is insane. I've never seen a fire so big, so close.
I found out that this fire, the entire pass is closed. I wouldn't have been able to get to Montague because the pass is closed. And the fire runs all the way to Ladysmith, which is basically all of Route 62 that I wanted to do. So I'm gonna have to revise my plans because it's just insane. It looks like a volcano. Pierre takes me here and then he's like, where are you from? I said, Canada. I wish I got this on film, it was so cute. He's like, well, just so happens that we have a special that Canadian girls traveling on motorcycles get for free. And there's bathroom facilities. Look at this. So nice. I have the most amazing view. I'm gonna take some kick-ass photos tonight. I cannot wait. And I got washing facilities. Here's the thing, you just don't worry. I had lovely Carl on the phone and he was trying to arrange accommodations for me here and he was panicking and he was so worried. Bless. And I never get worried. I was kind of nervous about the fire because my GPS was leading me into the fire. Ooh. Other than that, like as far as places to stay and everything always works out. Always. So good. Now I'm gonna set up my tent. Take some cool pictures of that. Ha
Through the flames, you'll see her rise right through the smoke. Don't be surprised because she's fire walking. She's fire walking, but it cannot touch or burn her. Doesn't one small bit concern her? Yeah, she's fire walking. She's fire walking to be free.
Pierre's wife, the fellow who opened the campsite to me, his wife just called me and she's so excited. She wants to come down and meet me. She said, oh, let me bring you bread or milk or what do you need? I'll bring it for you. People are just so amazing, really. I'm just so blessed to be able to receive all of this awesomeness. Ooh, place to oh, I gotta clean up. Set my tent up.